Have you ever taken a days off, finally decided today I'm going to rest? No work, no household rush, no office work, just lying on the bed, taking it easy. And yet, the next day you still feel tired. Not because you're sick, not because you were busy, just exhausted. If you are a mother, if this sounds familiar to you, please stay with me because the reason might surprise you. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Tanveen and you're watching Raya. I've had days like this too. I took a break, I rested physically, fully rest, but somehow I didn't feel refreshed. And honestly, I never really understood why. Until I heard this session by Sister Sarah Sultan. She's in a Discovery U channel. She's a counselor and instructor in Maghrib Institute. The session was about overthinking. And what she shared something very important. Our body is resting, but the mind is not resting. And the one big reason for this is our constant screen use and social media scrolling. Think about your resting. Physically, we might be lying on the bed doing nothing, but mentally we are scrolling from one reel to the next, from one shorts to the another next shot. The content might be entertainment, or it might be Islamic stuff, or even something very, very useful. The brain is still continuously stimulated with visuals, sounds, and information. So while the body is resting, the mind is never switching off. It's constantly being stimulated. And that's why even after a full days of rest, we still feel tired. This happens to our children too. They have holidays, but they are not doing anything physically yet. After the holiday, the next day, they're not really refreshed. One of the reason is the same. Their mind is never truly resting. Why does this matter now? Why am I sharing this now? Because the holiday season is coming. Many of us are really excited for this. There is family time, there is weddings, there is get-togethers, travel, or simply quiet days at home with no early morning rush. But why not make this break a real break? What if we plan our holidays a little more mindfully? Maybe we decide that at certain times in a day, we keep our phones away. After all, we usually use our phones to connect with the family and our loved ones. And when we are having them around us now during these holidays, why not truly be with them? We could sit together and just talk. Or we could choose a time then everybody reads. Okay, this is reading, real reading, no screen reading. Or spend some time doing what each one of loves. Maybe it could be gardening, sports, anything that we could do it as a family, or every individually what that time is dedicated. This is a challenge I want to try myself. I've not tried really like this, but I won't say it's easy. I struggle in this too, but I want this holiday to really refresh, not just my body, but my mind, my soul, and my relationships as well. If this is what you too feel, let me know in the comments. We'll try this. Will you try? Will you try this with me? Let's make this break a real refreshment for us, for our children, and for our loved ones. And it's not about perfection, at least doing something so meaningful, so that by the end of the vacation we have this feeling that at least we have tried. Let me know if you're joining me.